Morning everyone. We are here to introduce you this new Ideal AVR automatic voltage regulator. Now the headquarters of Ideal Power is in Yunlin, Taiwan, and the Ideal Power Company Limited was founded in 1996, and it is committed to design and manufacture reliable and qualified full range of power products including uninterruptible power supply, inverter, automatic voltage regulator, voltage protector, and surge protector. So now we're going to introduce you this PS800 and this is PSL 500. So for this PSL 500, it has a selectable delay setting or time setting. As you can see at the side of it, you would see 2 seconds, 10 seconds, and 30 seconds delay time. And also, it has a user-friendly visual LED indicator here. And it also provides modem and phone line surge protection at the other side of it. And it has a built-in thermal switch for over temperature protection. And aside from that, this plastic is anti-flammable plastic housing. And it has wall mounting holes at the bottom. And the best thing is it provides stable output voltage through boost and box stabilizer. So now we're going to adjust, or we're going to test this, and we're going to adjust it to we're going to lower it to 172 volts. So for this one, this is our voltage or AVR. This is a 220 voltage, as you can see on our tester. There, 220 volts. And we're going to set this, we're going to adjust this lower to 172 volts. So once we test this and plug this into this AVR, so there it should be, and we need to test this. This should range or should has 172 volts as well for the surge protection. All right, that's 171 or 172. And now we're going to test this AVR plus surge protection. This should has 207 voltage. So it means that once there is a lower voltage, this will, the minimum input or output for this, it is not the same on the surge protection. There is an additional 20 to 30 volts. All right. Okay, so now we're going to adjust now this AVR into higher voltage, which is 230 or 40 volts. All right, as you can see, the tester is now in voltage is 240. So now we're going to test this Ideal PS800. So for this surge protection, this should have the same voltage from the source AVR, which is 240. There, it's 240. However, if we're going to test this AVR plus surge protection, this should be 220. There, it's 220. So that means that it provides stable output voltage through boost and box stabilizer. So it remains to 220 volts. So now, after this Ideal PS800, we're going to test this PSL 500. Same features, it has the same plastic. However, this has only a AVR plus surge protection. It doesn't have a surge protection. Okay, so we're going to test this now. The same thing that we did before with Ideal PS800. So the voltage should be 200 220. 220. So once we test it, now since it is plugged in, we're going to test it now. There's a fluctuation. However, if we're going to lower down the voltage from our source, there is a fluctuation of voltage.